guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you what I do for dinner, so you're gonna be cooking with me. If you're new here, welcome. If you are my subscriber, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like and share my video. If you're my subscriber as well, don't forget to share, comment and like. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you what I'll have for dinner. So everything is on the table, so let's go. So this is what I'm going to be cooking. We have some sea bass here. We have some sea bass. We have some baby tomatoes. We have some Chinese leaf, carrots, potatoes, garlic, onions. This is infused oil with garlic. I like garlic so much, so I want to try that. It's my first time buying that from a shop. We have black pepper. We have double cream, and we have salt. So this is all I need to make my dinner. So let's go. So guys, we're going to start with the sea bass. We're going to start by cleaning the fish. Taking it out of the sea bass, and I will try in one of my videos as well. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna clean a little bit of the skin, if there's any scale, to take out the little scales if there are any. So now then we rinse our fish with cold water. Rinse the fish with cold water. Then, yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do is to peel my potatoes. I'm actually going to put them in a cooker, sorry, so they can cook for some minutes with the carrot as well. So join me in my kitchen. Join me in my kitchen. I don't mind.
I'm so sorry, but well done for having the courage of your conviction there. I'm afraid that's caused you 100 ticks for over 150.
Yeah, not to be paid, I'm afraid, for the actual word
well done. He said that at home. But you were quite right about Prince. Would have seen you through as well, which with 51 points. The lady in the social media song, Madonna.
So I'm peeling them off, and I'm actually going to be cutting them into 2 pieces, like this. So I'm going to be cutting them like this.
It's very helpful. And Dave's. There we are. Dan and Dave will go first.
So guys, I'm done peeling the potatoes. I'm done peeling the potatoes. Put my fish aside. This is how they look like. I don't know, it's too on both sides. They can marinate properly. Oops. Just a little salt. So I'm gonna use my black pepper. I actually like black pepper, you know, a lot. Black pepper and garlic are my favorite. But it's not everything. It's not everything that you cook. Or I actually bought the wrong pepper. I wanted the so yeah, this one is not the real one. It's it's the real pepper, but the container is not the one I wanted. Yeah, so I need to grind it myself. So let me show you what I actually use. I don't know if you know about this. If you're African, you know we use it to grind pepper, spices. So I have this, and I brought it from my country, Cameroon. I'm going to use this to grind my pepper. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So that's how we use it. So guys, I'm gonna be needing some 2 carrots that I'll be steaming as well. I just have to clean them. I'm going to use it for my delicious meal. I do love carrots as well, but when it's a little crunchy. camera on the side. You have to put the fire very low so the fish don't get burned, and for it to actually have a nice gold color. So I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic oil. So guys, this is basically what I've done. I've steamed the Chinese leaves. The carrot has been steamed and cured. This is the cream, the double cream. I just put like Maggi and a little bit of garlic oil. So this is the tomatoes and the onions, and this is the sea bass. It's all ready. So now I'm gonna present it on a plate, and that's what we're having for dinner. And as well, I did steam the potatoes. It's also ready as well. So I'm gonna present that on a plate and show you how it looks like. Hi guys, this is the final look. This is how my dinner looks like. Is it not beautiful? Okay guys, I'm done cooking. That will be the end of my vlog. Thank you for staying with me all through the cooking. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.